Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my Scrappy Christmas Crafts project to share with you guys. I will do the tutorial tomorrow and I'll post it tomorrow. I feel like I can't talk. Oh my gosh, it is late, you guys. I've been working on this all day. And because this is a Scrappy Christmas Crafts video, that means this is a collaboration between Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy and myself, and on the 25th of every single month we have been bringing to you guys a Christmas project, usually with a tutorial. So today this is what I have for you guys, but also don't forget to check out Tiffany's video when you're done watching this one. I'll have hers linked down below. Whenever she's got it posted, I'll link it down below, and you guys could check her out afterwards. I thought this was going to be an easy project, and I had wanted it to be an easy project because, like, it's November, almost Thanksgiving, almost December, and we're so busy, right? So I had wanted this to be a quick and easy project, and then it took me all day. So it was not what I was hoping it would be, but maybe that's because I was also coming up with all the measurements and stuff. And maybe the next time around it'll be a little bit easier for me, especially because I'll do a cutting guide as well, and I'll put down the measurements and everything in the description box down below. Well, not the description box. It's going to be a link to the cutting guide down below where you guys can go ahead and download it from my Ko-fi page. That's not going to be available until tomorrow though, when I post the tutorial. So yeah, that will be tomorrow, but let's get started and I'll show you guys what I made and the collection I used and everything. All right, so this is like a 5.5 by 7-inch size album, and I wanted to do something different. Like I said, I wanted to do something easy or simple or quick rather. And so I decided I would do binder rings. Now these binder rings, I believe these are 1 3/4 inches. Don't ask me where I got them, no clue, they're in my stash, but they work great for this album because once you fill this up, this is going to bulk up a bunch. Actually, I don't think you can really display this. It's just, there you go. It's just gonna have to be like spread out pages, but once you put photos in this, it will bulk up, and the rings allow for that bulk as well. I mean, it's already fairly chunky. I already took out 2 pages, so this has 10 pages now. I was going to do 12, but we have 10 pages. The collection I use is actually a paper pad that I got from Cassandra while I was in Colorado. She gifted me this paper pad, which is called Classic Christmas by Die Cuts with a View. She knows I love my classic Christmas colors, and I had so much fun using this to make this album. Like, it was so much fun. I have about half of the paper pad left. I pretty much used one of each sheet, and then a couple of days ago I also used some sheets, so I pretty much used one of each sheet though in here. So I have about half left, and then I have some like scraps and things, but yeah, so we're doing good using up this paper pad, and I just love the colors because they are like traditional red and green, like the brighter red and green. So I love that. And then I also used some stickers from my stash. This is from Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I've been using this sticker sheet. I was recently using it for another project, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna add some stickers in here. So that's what I did, and I still have some stickers left. So I'll try to find this down, and I'll try to link it down below, but I don't think it's available anymore. This is from, what year is this from? 2019. So I don't think this is available anymore, but it is a really cute paper pad. So let me show you guys what I made. And like I said, tutorial will be coming tomorrow. So it says Believe on the cover. I've got a little Santa. I've got poinsettia sticker, and I've got some gemmies here. You can see I have like some cute like trims peeking out there. Some ribbons over here just to decorate a little bit further on the side there. And then this is all cardstock. There's no chipboard in this album, but so I did use 110-pound cardstock for the black pages throughout, except for like these flip-up pieces. These I did 65-pound weight, but all the base pages are 110-pound cardstock. So you open this up. I have to move these bows, don't I? Okay. So you open this up and it looks like, oh, I forgot to add something back in here. No wonder I have an extra photo mat on my desk. So here I just used some embellishments from my stash that I recently got in my Echo Park Christmas mystery box, the titles and phrases from the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. And we've been doing good, using up a lot of these now. I at first was like, how am I going to use these? They're ginormous, but it actually worked out really well in this album. So I used one here. It says 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. And my intention was to have a photo mat there. I'm not gluing it down so that somebody can add a photo to it, then glue it down, or they could just journal on it, or they don't have to use it at all. And then the next page here, I did a little flip up with a cut apart. This is from my stash, not from the collection. There was no 4x6 in the collection. And this flips up. And I have a larger pocket where I just added in another like photo mat area or journal space. And then I had to do the smaller pocket because I forgot to add my magnets at first. So then I added this little like kind of like tuck spot, and I added a cute little tag and then a blank white tag as well. My seam binding is from my scrap cabin shop. I'll have her link down below as well. And I'm actually using new magnets, you guys. I'm testing out these new magnets because they are cheaper than the basic gray. This is from Element Magnets, or Total Element. And this is the ones that I used. They're 1/2 inch by 1/32 of an inch. I'll try to find the link and I'll link it down below for you guys. But I use these magnets and they're actually working really good. And I have like the thicker Cardabella paper here. And I have, you know, a layer of pattern paper down there as well. So they're working pretty good. I'm still testing them out, but so far so good. So I didn't add a lot of magnets throughout. I think that's the only magnet I did, or maybe I did. No, I did one more in here as well, but I was trying to keep this easy, like I said, or simple and quick. Then the next page here, I just did a little tuck spot and I added in another photo mat area. This will fit a 4x6 size photo perfectly, and my intention was to fit 4x6 size photos in here. Like if somebody wanted to put in a 4x6 here, they can. My photo mats are just kind of like weird sizes, so yeah, but you can fit a 4x6 photo on these pages, and in here this is exactly 4x6. We'll fit a 4x6 in here. And this, you guys, I got creative because I have this from Dollar Tree. It's like one of their kind of like blank albums or whatever. I had cut it and took it apart, so I have individual sheets. And so I added them in here. I've been trying to figure out what to do with these for the longest time because I had a plan originally and then that didn't work out. And then I've been trying to think of another way to use them. So I got to use a few of those in here, you guys. So this will fit a perfect 4x6 size photo. And then you add a photo on both sides. So one side here and then one side here. So yeah, I will try to also do a paper matting video. So tomorrow will be the tutorial, and then I'll try to do a paper matting video as well. The next page here, I've used another one of those title and phrases ephemera pieces from this. And it says Merry Christmas, added in another little photo mat area, and this is just to flip out, no magnets. And you guys could see I rounded all my corners. Just on the right side, not these sides. And then, yeah, so then here I added in another photo mat, made a little pocket here, just out of the paper here. It's not gusseted, so it's just out of the paper. And then added in some solid paper from my stash. And then the next page looks like this. It says Joy to the World with a cut apart. This is the second pair of magnets that I did. So it opens like that and then like that. So you have some space for photos there. You could add another full 4x6 size photo here if you'd like. Then here I have my twin pages and pockets, added some stickers. We've just got a tag here that says Dear Santa, I can explain. and a large photo mat that you can add anywhere in this album, or you can use it in the pocket as a journal space. And then here we have holiday greetings tag, and then another large photo mat. Then the next page looks like this, just a Santa Claus and another large photo mat tuck spot. We've got another space for a 4x6 size photo. I added a little sticker on there. And then here, you can add a 4x6 size photo, or you can also use this as a tuck spot because this is glued down like that. So you can add in like your full 4x6 photo. You can tuck little things in there. And yeah, but I just have something there. And that's my other little like lace trim. I love that. So pretty. And then here again, large space for photos. I added in a piece of acetate that has like gold foil lines on it. Silver on the back, but gold on the other side. But I just thought that was like fun to add. So if somebody wanted to add like a photo, they would just add it on front and back. Here I've got a little flip up and then a little tag behind that flip up, a blank tag. And then this is also a large pocket, and it's just like a little booklet. So you could add additional photos, and you don't have to use any of these booklets. You can just add your straight up 4x6 size photos in there, just for extra space. Then here I've got this die cut that says Merry Everything, and then another like photo mat thing there. Here we've got a triple or a double flip up. So the other one was sideways, this one just goes up, and then my paper was a little shorter, so I just added a strip down here, turned it into a pocket, and now we have another tag there as well. Then the next page, another space for a large 4x6 size photo. And if you don't want to do 4x6, like you can make them smaller. You could do 2 3x4 size photos, like landscape photos if you'd like, or 1 4x6 portrait size, whatever you want. Here I've got a belly band, the little sticker, and it's got another little booklet there. And that just lives back here. And then we've got another little tuck spot with a large photo mat here. Another space for 4x6 size photos. And then this is the last page, and you can add in another 4x6 size photo there. And then that's the back. So it is fun, nice and chunky. I do want to make more of these. I have a ton of binder rings, you guys. I don't use them often. And so today I was like, I wanted something quick, which this was not quick, but my idea was that this was going to be quick. It was not, but I got to use up some of my binder rings. So that was super duper fun. So anyways, you guys, I apologize. This video was super late today. But like I said, I was working on this all day. I'm gonna make another one because I'm gonna do the tutorial tomorrow, so I will put together another one as well. And yeah, stay tuned for that, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my scrappy Christmas crafts project. I really do like how it looks though. I love it. I love how it turned out. Oh, by the way, you guys, this is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing this cutie patootie. So yeah, just make sure, you gotta make sure these rings are turned. There we go. When you flip the pages and stuff. But it is so cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this is like a great way to make some of these albums. I was going to do like a cinch wire at first, which you could totally do, but actually maybe not, because I don't think I have a big enough cinch wire for this bulkiness. But yeah, this was fun. So anyway, stay tuned, you guys, and don't forget to check out Tiffany's video. Like I said, this is part of our Scrappy Christmas Craft series, so don't forget to check out Tiffany's video. I'll also have it linked down below if she has already posted one, and if not, I'll link it whenever she has one. And that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!